Ayon sa lahat ng aming mga kapuso mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at sa lahat ng mga GMA Pinoy TV subscribers all over the world, welcome to Party Pilipinas Believe!
Yes! At hinihikayat namin na lahat na maniwala sa inyong sarili, especially the youth who represents this generation. This show is for you.
Tama! We have a full show today. Earlier, you've seen Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid. To see more of her, just keep it right here. And we would also like to acknowledge our cellist for the opening number, Mr. Herrick Ortiz.
Makakasama rin natin ngayon ang cast ng Faithfully, My Daddy Dearest, and Together Forever.
At dahil Father's Day ngayon, may special treat kami mamaya para sa lahat ng fathers.
Ito, for the boys naman, iabangan nyo ang Viva La Diva, ang Shinkai, Julie French, and of course, marami pa mga iba. Ito, meron pa. We have a special woman celebrating her birthday
sino
today.
kaya yun, Jen?
Tama ka dyan. Very special indeed, lalong-lalo na para sa akin. Joining today's Love Party Pilipinas, give it up to my love, my one and only, Carla Abellana!
Request ni Rose Ann Angge ang kantang Sing Me Your Song, Daddy, para sa kanyang butihing ama. Rose Ann, narito ang hiling mo na aawitin ng ating birthday girl na si Carla Abellana.
Sing me a song again, Daddy. Sing me a happy verse. Teach me those clever lines you sang as you carried me on your shoulders. Sing me that hymn that you so loudly sang in church with Mom.
Abansado na download ang request ni Hayel Bayos para sa kanyang mga kaopisina. Hayel, narito si Jake Vargas para pagbigaran ng hilig.
Di ko kailangan ng yaman, o di kaya kasing galing sa boxing ni Manny. Di ko kailangan maging sing-pogi ni Ogie, o di kaya mga beauty tips ni Vicky. Tanging kailangan ko lamang maging friend sa FB mo, o di kaya'y i-like mo na lang mga comments ko sa'yo. Nais ko lamang na sana ako'y mapansin mo, kaya sana i-download mo ang awit ko.
Buo na raw ang araw ni Jam Lim Jobs, makita lamang na nakangiti ang kanyang kasintahang si Gino Francisco.
Lift your head, baby, don't stay. All the things that could go wrong along the way, you get by with smiling. You can't win in everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no And when they're closing all their doors and they don't want you anymore, and that sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Come on. Oh, let me hear you sing it. Oh, let me hear you sing it.
Malayo man sa piling ni na Mary Roxanne Angeles ang kanilang ama, ramdam pa rin daw niya ang kanyang pagmamahal. Roxanne, narito ang iyong request na Wherever You Are na aawitin ni Kenneth Monico.
Can't you see the oceans moving and the moon that shines above? Would it be nice to say goodnight to the one you hold so close to your heart, to your heart? The wind blows to dark, it's the wind that blows my love. Hope it'll find its way to you wherever you are. The wind that blows to dark, it's the wind that blows my love. Hope it'll find its way to you wherever you are, wherever you are.
Hanggang pasasalamat ang nais iparating ni Nobby ang agaw sa kanyang daddy. Kaya naman hiling niya na awitin ni Heart Evangelista ang kantang Thank You.
All the things that I have held on to, all along the line, I never cared to read the sign. And love is the greatest gift life gave to me, and now it's set me free. And I thank you for being the one, for being the sun, for being the rainbow after the rain, for being the blue in the sky. And I thank you for ending the night, for shining a light. You've taken me home again when I lost sight of all hope. You were a friend. Thank you for the love I lost you till the end.
Paborito daw ng tatay at chungi ni J. Paul ang kantang Larawang Kupas. Kaya Jay, sana maibigan ng iyong tatay Marcelo at Tito Isagani ang kantang ito na aawitin ni Derek Monasterio.
Sa isang larawang kupas, lakit na silayang muli ang ating lumipas. Kung may babalik ko lamang panahon at ang oras, hindi sana lungkot at pagsisisi ang dinaranas. Kapit may tayong dalawa, nakangiti at kapwa masaya, at ang tunay na pagmamahal ay kalarawan kahit kumpas na sa itong yaman ng buhay ko. Isang kulay yung buhay ko, mabalik ang ligayang lumas. Salamat sa larawang kupas.
Isang mabuting asawa at ama. Ganyan kung ilarawan ni Karina Manalo ang kanyang asawa. Kaya naman inihahandog niya ang kantang Ikaw Lang Ang Mamahalin para sa kanyang kabiyak na si Rolando. Keep on sending your requests sa aming official Facebook page dahil hanggat may naniniwala sa tunay na pag-ibig, narito kami para awitin ang mga kantang isinisigaw ng inyong mga puso't damdamin. Dito lang sa Love Party Pilipinas.
This portion was brought